So I've known Randy Courtney for about 10 years, and we met through the Tempe Chamber of Commerce. I noticed Randy because he really stands out. He always dresses very professional. At the time, my husband and I wanted to purchase an investment property. So Randy came over to our house and just listened to us. And he really listened to what our long-term goals were. Then we went out and looked at properties. And at the time, it was kind of a crazy market. Homes were just flying off the shelf, going under contract really fast, multiple offers. And Randy really let us know what we were walking into. And then we looked at this one property that we thought we might be interested in. And he called the listing agent. And turns out he knew the guy from a long time. They had done a couple deals together, and that listing agent said to Randy, if your folks want to make an offer, they better do it really soon, and I'll have them wait for you. We didn't decide to write an offer on that property, but it really showed that they wanted to work with Randy. It was because of Randy they were going to be willing to wait. The property we did end up purchasing with Randy, kind of a funny story. We were looking at a short sale, and we had come out of the property. We're standing on the front lawn talking about what we saw inside the house. And this gal was driving by in a car, kind of leans out the window and says, hey, do you guys want to buy a house? And Randy says, yeah. I guess she knew because Randy looked like, a realtor, and we looked like the clients. She said, well, I just listed this house a couple doors down. So we walked down to the house, and the homeowner was there that day. Randy introduced us and told a little bit about us and how, we were Tempe residents. She liked him, she liked us. We ended up writing an offer, it got accepted. Randy showed up for the home inspection. That went really well. The property appraised. The whole transaction just went really smooth. And Randy was always very accessible. His office is great too. They always pick up the phone. There's always somebody there to help. It just went really, really, really smooth. And I think one of my biggest takeaways was that it's really important that you work with a realtor that's not only experienced, but has a good reputation in the industry. So we think Randy's great.